In the next 10 to 20 years, millions of jobs will disappear, not because of a crisis, but because of robots and artificial intelligence. These are jobs that may not exist in the future. Cashiers are already being replaced by self-checkout machines in many stores. Self-driving cars may replace taxi drivers in the future. Autonomous trucks could replace many truck drivers. Delivery drivers could be replaced by drones and delivery robots. Warehouse workers are already being replaced by automated robots that move products faster and more efficiently than humans. Factory workers have been replaced by robotic arms in many industries for years. Security guards may be replaced by surveillance drones, cameras, and AI monitoring systems. Receptionists are being replaced by digital kiosks and virtual assistants.
Welcome, he's just finishing up. Please have a seat and he'll be right with you.
Call center agents are being replaced by AI voice assistants and chatbots.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Fast food workers are being replaced by automated cooking machines and self-order kiosks. Cleaning robots are becoming more common in homes, offices, and airports. Data entry jobs are disappearing because AI can process and organize data automatically. Translators are being replaced by real-time AI translation tools.
Pourriez-vous me donner des informations sur le vol intergalactique de ce soir?
Could you provide information on tonight's intergalactic flight?
Travel agents are disappearing because people book everything online.
All right, printing your confirmation now.
Bank tellers are being replaced by online banking and smart ATMs.
Thank you so much.
Libraries are becoming digital, reducing the need for traditional librarians. Parking attendants and toll booth operators are being replaced by automatic payment systems. Toll booth operators are being replaced by fully automated electronic toll systems. Waiters in some restaurants are already being replaced by service robots. Retail salespeople are being replaced by online shopping and automated stores.
I think this is the one.
You look great in that.
The future will not belong to robots. It will belong to the people who know how to work with robots. The question is not if robots will replace jobs. The question is which jobs will survive.